What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another highly combustible reaction. We're gonna be jumping into another new group to the channel. This is 16 horsepower American Wheeze. Let's jump in. I'm excited. Something new. It looks like American Wheeze sound like it could be like a hard rock song of a title. It could be a couple different kinds of things. Who knows? Let's jump into it. Let's check it out. It's coming at us via donation from JH. Much love. I do appreciate the support. 100%. Let's go. That's not. Oh. All right. I wasn't expecting that. Even with the opening screen scene, I didn't know what I was looking at. Now I know what I'm looking at. Maybe it's not rock. Is that guy dressed? Let's go. This is crazy. It's all dark. It's dragging it way out. That's crazy. Most of the time that you see somebody play the accordion, it's like one of those ones that they play around this area. This one is like way out there, like super long. Oh. Got a little build up. Oh. Came in with a nasty bass line. This might be one of the angriest accordion songs I've ever heard. Like he just said, "Hey, if you got a bone to pick with me, come and get it, and we'll see what happens." Like At first, he backed away from the mic. I didn't know if there was lyrics we were missing there, if he was just talking to himself. But like he leaned back in, we got it. Like angry. That was how do you do something hard to an accordion? Like legitimately, this man's changing the whole way that I look at accordions. A lot of this new music is. Accordion to me used to be, you hear it, you think circus music. Like legitimately, that's what you think. But there's so many more uses for it, so many more places that it just fits right in. And it sounds amazing. Like let's go finish out the story. This must be a special kind of accordion. Bring your blade and your gun. Said I ain't even scared to die. By all means, come on. Hey. Very cool performance. Obviously a little bit older in time as the video quality as not as great, but listen to it. Like, first off, that's a very unique accordion. I've never seen anybody play such a boxy, long accordion before. Tell me about it. If you guys know more about them, let me know down below. If there's other stuff that we need to see, let me know. Like, we'll check it out. Definitely appreciate kind of a new little genre. I don't even know what you would consider this. If you guys enjoyed it, definitely go show the original poster some love. We are going to do that right now. Eric Young. Go show Eric Young some love on his channel. I'm going to drop it down there. Just go show 16 horsepower some love. I'm going to drop it down there. Hit the like button if you liked it. The dislike button if you disliked it. Check out one of my other videos up here. Subscribe right here. We're going to see more content, possibly your content. Until the next one, I'm highly combustible. You guys be happy, healthy, safe. I love you to the moon and back. Peace.